Hey, I'm Sade, and today I'm going to show you how to install this easy lace wig from Hairvivi. This is their Janelle Monáe inspired wig, or more so like a natural African American type texture wig. It looks so natural. Okay, so today we're using hair from a hair company called Hairvivi. It's a nice little hair company. So inside the box, ooh, they send you a comb and 2 clips, 2 hair clips and a comb. Very useful. So we're using, this is a lace wig. It's not a full lace wig, but you know, it's lace in the front. The great thing about this wig is it is bleached already, and I mean it's bleached really good. You know how some hair companies say that their knots come bleached and it's not bleached. These are actually like bleached really good. So I didn't even have to go over this and re-bleach it, and it's plucked already too. So I don't have to pluck it. Like this is very like. This wig is very beginner friendly. So if you don't know how to put on a wig, or if you know want to wear a wig and you don't know how to, this is a very easy wig to put on, because you don't have to use any product or any glue or anything to put this on, because it has clips in the inside, clips in the back, and it has an elastic band, so your lace is gonna lay flat to your forehead without putting any glue or any gel or anything on it. So this wig is their kinky straight. It's in 20 inches. It's really good hair, really nice. Like the wig is very thick, and it's a very nice wig, I must say. All of their wigs are handmade, and this is going to be like the most easiest install ever. So this wig is very versatile. You can definitely wear it in a ponytail if you want, or you can wear it straight down, or you can straighten it, or whatever you want to do. Put a braid in the front or whatever. So I'll do a couple of hairstyles to show you how versatile this wig is. Like I said, this is their kinky straight in 20 inches. They call it the Janelle Monáe inspired type wig. So if you like a more natural looking wig, you know, this might be the wig for you. I'm just gonna blow dry her hair out, and I'm gonna throw a couple of braids in, and I'm gonna put this wig on. So I usually cut the lace off with a razor, but I can't find my razor, so I'm just going to use these scissors and cut the lace off before I put the wig on. So I'm gonna just blow this out a little bit, and I have her holding the wig down because I don't want it to slide back. So I'm gonna just blow it out a little bit, just to make it a little bit more, I guess, neater or straighter. Alright, so I'm gonna just blow dry the edges on a cool setting, just so they can stay, but so they can dry. So this is like one of them type wigs, like since it's not glued on, it's better to style on a mannequin head first or dome head, because if not, you're gonna have to like keep holding on to it so it don't, you know, drift back or anything. Make sure you guys check out Hairvivi and purchase this wig. This was like the easiest install ever. Like this wig is so easy to put on, so like anybody could put this wig on, because it really comes already pre-made and it looks so natural. So make sure you check them out. Make sure you follow them on Instagram, and also follow me on Instagram at Filthy Rich Tresses. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.